Welcome back to Autocar, your go-to channel for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning, Ford's all-electric powerhouse that's redefining the pickup truck industry. We're focusing solely on the exterior, interior, design, performance, history, price, and features, so buckle up as we explore every detail of this electric beast. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning stays true to its rugged F-Series roots while embracing a futuristic, aerodynamic design. Up front, the truck features a bold, full-width LED light bar that seamlessly integrates with the grille. The signature closed-off front grille, available in different finishes, enhances aerodynamics while maintaining the tough Ford truck look. The body is sculpted with smooth yet aggressive lines, making it one of the most striking electric trucks on the road. New for 2025, Ford has introduced additional color options, refined wheel designs ranging from 18 to 22 inches, and an improved underbody skid plate for better off-road capability. The power-operated frunk trunk, offers 14.1 cubic feet of storage, making it one of the largest in any electric pickup. The rear features an updated taillight design with a more defined LED signature, while the tailgate now offers an optional hands-free function. Step inside the 2025 F-150 Lightning, and you're greeted with a spacious, high-tech cabin that balances luxury with practicality. The interior is built for both work and comfort, featuring premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and improved sound insulation. At the center of the dash sits a massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4A infotainment system, providing seamless connectivity, navigation, and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time driving data, while the available Blue Cruise hands-free driving system adds another layer of convenience. Ford has upgraded the seating with new upholstery options, including leather and sustainable materials. The rear seats provide ample legroom, and the flat floor design ensures better cargo space within the cabin. The interior also includes multiple power outlets, a wireless charging pad, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive audio experience. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning is powered by dual electric motors, delivering up to 580 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful F-150s ever built. It offers two battery options, with the extended range battery pushing the estimated range to around 350 miles per charge. Thanks to its independent rear suspension, the Lightning provides a smoother, more stable ride compared to traditional gas-powered F-150s. The truck can tow up to 10,000 pounds, making it a serious workhorse despite its electric nature. With Ford's intelligent backup power, the Lightning can even serve as a home power source, providing energy during blackouts. The F-150 Lightning name first appeared in the 1990s as a high-performance version of Ford's best-selling pickup. However, in 2022, Ford resurrected the Lightning name for its first-ever all-electric F-150. Since then, the Lightning has gained massive popularity, proving that electric trucks can be both powerful and practical. The 2025 model continues this legacy with enhanced technology, better efficiency, and improved design elements. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning starts at around $55,000 for the base Pro model, while the high-end Platinum trim can exceed $90,000. Standard features include a large digital display, Ford Copilot 360 safety suite, a built-in power generator, and a spacious frunk. Higher trims offer luxury additions like massaging seats, premium sound, and extended range capabilities. That's a wrap on our in-depth look at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. What are your thoughts on this cutting-edge electric truck? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.